Everyone's asleep. Well, Key is twitching like a flea.
Okay, Lib, I guess I have to boop.
Aki's asleep. These two are asleep. These two are play fighting. Ringo, Netsu. Aki, Cammy, Cleo.
Ow. No, it's not. Is that a leaf? Oh, oopsie, owie, oopsie, owie, oopsie, owie, oopsie, owie, da-da, da-na-na, na-na-na, na-na-na, oopsie, owie, oopsie, owie, oopsie, owie, oopsie, owie. But I have to be careful. Wait, what if I went super fast on?
Leave her
What
alone,
kind
she's
of
trying
leaf
to
is that?
sleep.
Wait, what kind of leaf is
Leave
that?
her alone, she's trying to sleep, silly.
That's a 30 leaf, Lib. I got a 30 leaf.
Here, Cammy. You move up here to sleep together with
Lib,
each other.
it was a leaf that gave me 30.
Mm-hmm.
It was so giant, it was like the size of one.
What you doing, Ringo? No, don't attack your siblings. They are asleep. They are asleep. Do not attack them. You may be in hyper mode, but they are not. You're okay, Natsu. Don't attack my hand. What are you doing? No, leave her alone. Do not attack your sister. Stop it. She's trying to sleep. You should be asleep too. No, stop. Stop attacking your sister. Stop it. Lucy, they're trying to sleep. You need to sleep too. Hi, Hope. I see you in the background. Look. Hi. You need to sleep. Hey guys, seriously, they're over here wrestling and then they slowly migrated towards me. Those two are being smart and eating with mom. These two are fighting. And then Netsu being a little butt. Hi. Looks like Netsu's joined the buffet table. Oop. Looks like Ringo lost his fighting partner. Time for the real battle to begin. Babies fighting over eating space. Hey Momo, what you doing? There we go. My goodness, stop fighting. It's fine. It's fine. Baby's trying to get out of their enclosure. Oh. What are you guys doing? Baby's trying to get out. Gotcha. What you doing? Hi Natsu, what you doing? Trying to get mom's tail? Trying to get Momo's tail? Oh, looks like Cammy's awake. Aki, what you doing? You're gonna fall. You are going to fall. Yep, there it goes. Where are you? You under there? More petting. Hi, Momo. What you doing? Some of the kittens are scratching at the door, so I opened it, and now they're just sitting here watching the rain. Oh! Ringo, you fell down. Come here. Uh-oh. You okay? That's how Ringo fell down. You need, you need to be more careful, Cammy. You're gonna roll over and you're gonna fall down. Because I'm sitting here, the kids are watching the rain. Ow, my foot. What are you doing? Aki, what you doing? What you doing, baby boy? Aki, hi, what you doing? Earlier he jumped up onto my shoulder and I'm trying to get him to do it again. Aki! Silly boy. Hi. What are you looking at? What are you looking at? What you doing, silly boy? Oh, are you just gonna... What you doing? Okay, you just... Since I'm leaning towards the counter, you're just gonna curl up next to me? Okay. Aki! What you doing? Oop, is he gonna do it? Hi. What you doing? Oop, you're gonna fall. Oop. Get your butt back on the counter. Get your paw back on. Get your paw unstuck. Okay. Aki, what you doing? Don't come here. Aki, look. Hi, what you doing? Was he gonna do it? Yeah. Okay. What you doing? Now he's looking for a way down. Ooh, that was weaker. What you doing? What you doing? Yawn. Oop, you're gonna fall. You are going to fall. Get your butt back up there. Come here. Hey, hi. mouth. And she won't let go. No! Hey, stop pissing. Stop it. Hey, okay, stop it. No, it's mine. Okay. Okay, Cleo, get away. Cleo. She doesn't like you there. She wants to play. Hey, back. Oh, God. Oh, God. What's wrong? Fine, you can have it. But I want it back. I want it back. I want it back. Gimme, gimme. Give it to me. Give it to me. You're supposed to let go, Cleo. Why are you huffing? Did you let go? Okay, gimme. I got it back. Hey, babies. Kittens at 6 weeks old. Why are you crying? You're the one that knocked over your basket. The 2 ginger ones are currently inside asleep, so I decided to bring these 3 out. You okay, baby boy? None of them like grass very much. Except for maybe Cleo. She'll tolerate it. And they all like to sit on me. Is it Ringo? You're okay. You're okay. You're okay. What you climbing up here for? There we go. Up your claw stuck. There you go. You're okay, baby boy. Ow! Okay, I get you went up, but you can't claw me. Ooh, there's a bumblebee in the grass. The kitten see the bumblebee. The kitten see the bumblebee. It was like, take me back.
Got caught up in the attack.
He wouldn't have let something like that happen. If the troop attacked, Kurapika would be tracking them down even as we speak. I wouldn't be surprised if he's captured a few of them already.
I hope you're right.
There you go.
Aki's going to her forever home, forever home, forever home. Aki,
Yeah.
Aki, say bye.
Why is their hair
Yeah.
I think that's the boys.
Okay.
Where's
Sorry. Sorry.
the cat brush?
Okay.
Everywhere.
It's okay.
Yeah. So they're not, I mean, they're not nursing it.
You can put her on your shoulder.
Not really. They're eating hard food and soft food.
She'll sit up on
but
your
if that
shoulder.
comes up, they'll still go up to.
There we go.
There.
So they're doing, hard and soft and water, and they're all good there. She doesn't mind if one or two of them come up. Then all five come up, she's like, I'm out. Check y'all are
Yeah,
good.
the ginger that y'all are looking at,
Uh-huh.
she's the first one that runs up at mom.
Oh, look at her up on those. Liberty, you want to save them in a minute? How long do you want to videotape them for? Let's kill it.
Ringo's going to his forever home, forever home, forever home. Ringo's going to his forever home, hooray!
5 weeks until these people moved out this one. There was nothing available.
Oh. Are you renting here or you own it?
Oh, we were renting.
Oh.
So, oh my gosh, I should probably lose my suitcase.
These two are twins.
Well, they're all from the same litter, so they're all the same age.
I didn't unpack yet.
These two are twins.
Mhm.
Kind of.
No, they don't look a thing alike.
Well, I mean,
Well,
they're
there's 5.
That's
five.
You're a big guy.
And, what?
quintuplets.
And just sextuplets.
He's gonna
So they're
stop like
quintuplets.
That's what he does. He starts kicking. Try.
Okay, so
Hi,
no
Ringo.
shots or wormed or anything.
We haven't in that
Nothing
movie.
yet. Although we haven't
That's
seen anything like in their poop.
like this.
Okay.
They've all just stayed inside. So even
No,
the
he just
stray
did
coming
one
in,
side.
he had gotten a little upper respiratory infection.
Look, he rests.
So I can die
And
before
then
he'd
he
be
plays. And then he
last week
rests.
before I left vacation. So I brought him
Rests
to the
and he
vet.
plays.
And he got medicine and he rested.
You're gonna miss her, aren't you?
Yeah. Cammy's going to forever home, forever home, forever home.
Yeah, it's not good to video people without asking.
Here, you can hold her. Look, she's all cute. She's even grown a little bit since we were here last.
It was only a few days
Don't
ago.
you?
He's the reason that we have to buy the $90 cat food.
That's right. I remember
It's all
inside.
there,
Yeah. So
Oh,
tell me,
no.
where does she sleep?
She got spooked by the car. She'll cuddle with you.
Okay.
Like, if I lay down on my back or on my belly, they'll, like, go up all around my legs and
Do you
shoulders and
sleep
stuff.
down here with them, or do you have them in your room with you?
She'll bring him up in the room.
Yeah.
Either or.
Okay. Now, here's the other question. Do you, when she's sleeping?
Get it before
Netsu's going to forever home, forever home, forever home. Netsu's going to forever home.
He's like, not quite yet.
She needs to run, Netsu!
Oh, she's
Netsu!
cutie.
Okay, so she's the biggest. She's gonna end up being a very big kitty
Wow.
when she grows up.
Yeah.
She likes to like wrestle, to play. She likes pets. She doesn't mind being picked up so long as you don't like hold her in a weird way.
Oh, okay.
You need to hold her like really close to your chest, like make
Um,
sure she's stable. You have to make her feel like
And
she's stable.
she's also a runner. Like in the sense where she'll run around the house and in the sense where she'll bolt for the door.
If anybody
Like-
opens the door, she's just like door.
Like the guy who got the other ginger kitten, when he opened the door, she was right under the couch and she bolted out.
They're trained.
she's gonna escape.
They're trained.